seaweed, or they call it sea crabs because it looks like crab.
I just arrived in Kota Kinabalu. In this video, I'm gonna check out what to do here in KK. So gonna grab some food. Wow. Hungry night market. Prices are like 9 ringgit. Wow. Still deciding what to tapao. This one is Melaka. Local mango babangan. Can't decide what to buy because they are selling different things. I just bought the rojak, buah rojak, 5 ringgit. Okay, gonna check out more things tomorrow. It's only 6:15 now, so let's see what restaurants are open. I was here before the pandemic in 2019. Full moon. So I just ordered the duck kolomi with the meat soup. I need a coffee, so I just sit down in another kopitiam to have what's this? Kopi C kosong and 250. So this is the fruit market. Market. There was a Filipino market, the vegetable market, the handicraft market, and now this is a fish market. It's the meat market. This is like a grocery market. It's only 7 o'clock and it's getting very busy around the market area. Hi. Last time I came here, it was quite late when everything was closed, but now it's 7 in the morning. Oh, let's check out what is upstairs. It is a huge food court, but not many people. It's a nice area to walk, and there are a few statues. KK is very famous of those islands, Pulau Mandukan, Pulau Gaya, in the Tunku Abdul Rahman National Park. I'm heading towards the old Chinatown area. This is where my hotel is. When the British ruled Sabah, which was the North Borneo Company, the capital city was in Sandakan. It's not here in KK. That's why you hardly see many colonial buildings. There is even a Mexican restaurant. So this is another colonial building, but this is the Tourism Malaysia building. I'm back here at the 0 kilometer Kota Kinabalu. I just asked the tourist information and I'm going up the signal hill. Okay, after the traffic light, there is a staircase. Almost there. So the Signal Hill Observatory is under renovation. So I'm heading back down now. Using another route to climb back down. This is a better route. Atkinson Clock Tower. After all the hard work or hard walk, I'm heading down to have something to eat. Okay, I'm back in Gaya Street. I think I'm going to have the famous laksa. Busy. So I just ordered this laksa.
If too spicy, can wash down with this cold teh tarik thing.
I just finished eating in this restaurant. This is the famous laksa, but it's a bit touristy. It's almost dinner time, so just check out some of the eateries. For me, I prefer the other one when they have more barbecue grill. It looks different now. Last time there were lots of grilling, but just
Chinese?
it's okay. I just walk around.
Korea. Chinese. I give you cheaper price.
So this area is like you order and then they will cook. this area is quite touristy. I think the other area is more local.
Ketam Pak lagi.
Boleh bang. Ini meja.
There's another night market.
Ini 18 tak kasih.
Wah, I think I will get here. Sampai dulu, apa enggak?
Taiwan spicy original. Sini kau dulu.
Have my food there now.
Umai, which is like a thicker raw fish, and then the other one is the seaweed, or they call it sea crabs because it looks like crabs.
Almost sunset.
It's in a stick. It's $10.
This calamari soso.
Taste. Sea crabs usually no taste. Then you can feel the crabs. It's like a local caviar. Raw fish. $2.50.
I've just finished my dinner and now I just get myself a mango juice. So that's all for this video of me visiting Kota Kinabalu. See you again. Bye bye.